Eto hwe Galamsey issue e Ghana hanom a edi wo man ni nyinanya. In fact, Galamsey ewie o man no kwata. Na eno na finally Krowura just o man ni nyina eti eye Otumfuo Asantehene. Opem so asase se nyamekese. Oba bi na oba two politicians nefo efa Galamsey eho. Na afese no the journalist are clashing with NDC leadership on the counter issue of Galamsey. Mema nchiremu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Meso ase need mu. Oba like video no under my subscribe button, stand click notification icon for latest updates. Amba chile wadwen de amame ewo comment section. Meso also baso no share for onya bi ahwe. Eti eno there was such a big program of course ewo Ghana hanomo. I say the 29th edition of Ghana Journalists Association Award. DJA Awards. And of course, Emma and Honoman, who said the first gentleman of the land, His Excellency the President, John Mahama Okopim Ewasie, Emma Hokran, or the same to your eyes, not a far, disinformation, any misinformation, any, the issue of, culture of insult on social media. You say, or Kasa Efa home, and or say, I was say, Timmy 2 and say, for me, stop it that I don't know. Say obi timbe me that's very the attempt between penifo to control to amount force near that yen my yen kan adwumom yen 20 and say from as on mine that you put a stop to that. Now anya no asem na ye kan abusia that program course enra no His Excellency Otumfuo Asantehene asase King Solomon II is a waka ewiase we nyina no okasai na dem san kan say o two politicians nefo ever the issue of Galamsey anyhow ACAD Ghana enya na we any nsem a okan
as your patron, I welcome you to Kumasi. When I had word that the GJ has decided to come and celebrate the awards ceremony in Kumasi, the date they chose was traditionally wrong for me because today is Tapa and the next day is Akwesidan. So I wasn't supposed to be organizing anything at all. Because of how I hold the GJ in high esteem and so close dear to my heart, I decided to agree. And I have to be honest with you, even this evening, whilst I was waiting for your president to come for me to be signaled to come, the signals came from my chief that we have to stop because tomorrow is Akwesidan and therefore I should leave it to some of my chiefs to come and do it. But I said to them, I will come. And my reason for telling them this evening was that the honor done me by the GJA for moving all the awards to Kumasi, I have to be here tonight. I thank your president and the national executives plus the Ashanti executives for doing me the honor of honoring, for bringing this awards here in Kumasi. And for me to meet so many journalists today, this afternoon, sitting down here, looking at those who were awarded. I could say, and I still want to say that this association has a future. Each day of your professional life, you strive not only to keep us informed and on our toes, but you project and celebrate the achievements of all manner of people in all fields of human endeavor. Surely, it is only right that the nation sets aside one moment to celebrate you and your achievements as we are doing today. Galamsey, for example, is an issue that is so dear to everybody's heart. We have to be very careful because it's destroying this country. It's becoming more of like a mafia situation where if you are not very careful, it's going to engulf all of us. And therefore, we have to take this issue very, very seriously. We joke about it, or we think it's not serious, but it is. And I was asking how many people would vote for a party or a government why we don't want to take a firm decision on these people. I've asked myself. Because it's politics, it's because of votes, nothing else. I can't see why we cannot take up this matter seriously, unless we are all complicit. Other than that, it's also a serious matter. So I was listening to the president, and I feel that more must be done to stop this. Maybe it's not happening where you are, but Amansi and others in my domain, it's happening there. And I've challenged the chief that if you're there and then your land is being messed up like this with Galamsey, they tell me we don't have the arms, we cannot fight them because they are so fully armed that we cannot even go anywhere near. And it's not about employment because we can get alternative employments for them. It's about a decisive decision, leadership to be able to take this matter up. However, we can. My forefathers mined gold years ago, 400 years ago. All my gold that I were bequeathed to us are still there. They were not Galamsey mining. We still have them. We never destroyed any water or anything. We never destroyed our forest. From the inception of my grand-uncle's age to up to this time. They were mining gold. But water bodies were not destroyed. There were days that we couldn't even go to farm because we were stopped from doing that. And so how come now, in this modern era? How come now, in this modern era of technology, education and everything? Why are we doing this to ourselves? And governments are not able to take decisions because people say, if you do that, they wouldn't vote for you. Don't let them vote for you, but take a decision and then let's vote. And then we save the environment, we save the people, we save our health. So I believe that. So we're here. The president gave a firm assurance, and I'll be following that to see how best we can all go take it up and then do it.
Now, all the one to talk from one. Yeah, 24 election, Galamsey and his from the board are binding the cheaper. Especially, I remember Semi MP for can say, I do we know a collective responsibility. Yenina yanka in humum, we shouldn't politicize it. Yanka in humum, na yen stop it Galamsey, ewa gan hadamo. Semi can say, we cannot collaborate with Galamseyers to stop Galamsey. Ogasi yentimi omo mutu Galamsey, yentimi any omo kasi fight Galamsey, any possible. We cannot collaborate with Galamseyers to fight Galamsey. Emma Sam George also making that same statement. Ne Twitter and as currently X. Or make it tweet be. Emma now focus. Oh, there be. Sammy. And it's my weekend here. With all due respect, and try so kasi blame me the then government for Galamsey that they are and try. I was saying that to me can who stop it. Sam George can say, oh, on temase. Say I'm for Galamsey anya politics ya. Yentimi and stop it. And of course, that case is still paying essay. Nipa kura Ghana ye dey taxpayers going to 82 and as president no. Or to me say, obetuni na ochu ba kope as stop Galamsey. Am I saying the issue of Galamsey nim how end this for kasa. But nowadays no, as a omo make it twist. They are making U-turn in their statement. Omo na no mo kase eni say yentimi Galamseyers and fighting Galamsey. With a sense, omu label the MPP leadership as Galamsey leadership. It don't say omu no mun come and fight it. But now no, omu just when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, we shouldn't politicize it. Some don't can say we should do politics with it. Now no, they are saying say we shouldn't politicize. I'm about Kai Krana. A good friend can say when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, I will put my presidency on the line. Emma, it really affected him heavily. In the 2020 elections, Ekufa received many seats across the Galamsey areas. Ekufa received seats, baby now honomo. That time, now we vow say obo putting the presidency on the line to combat Galamsey. But ninja no, yeah Ghana for no who man Ekufa person or yeah the boy man. But now no, omu chiremu say, and this for the chiremu say, obia answer Ekufa say on for the presidency and to line just to fight Galamsey. Now no, you na yen kan humomu. na yen stop Galamsey eno ana journalist no and NDC government abe clash na we nese mo ka kire wo mu
Galamsey Kana Mimi say we are not being fair to the MP. I'm envy say Galamsey fight no enye easy. Edding. Na esi nyina ya kabom.
Si eno mo kabom no.
Ha! Kana. Eti daben pa na Ghana fo hu say esi nyina ya kabom. Yes of Galamsey. Daben na mini yote. Daben pa no hu say Galamsey no say betu ase a esi nyina ya kabom. I want to ask my brother. We say we are not being fair to the MP.
Yes.
Were we fair to Nanado?
But he was giving.
Were we fair to Nana Adudanko Ekufuado?
It was a question. We were fair to Nanado.
You were fair?
Yeah.
But the MP needed, we are not being fair.
Nobody asked Nanado to put his presidency on the line. He did it voluntarily.
And then the Minion say,
On the demand of Kwame.
Minion say, Yankamum.
And then they are not nothing. All the time.
Say you gonna wait there.
And you are nothing. The man can't say.
Me say, Sammy Fee.
Yes.
When the same question was posed to him, also, we cannot collaborate with Galamsey to solve Galamsey. He was referring to us, MPP.
Oh, okay.
You want power no omo opposition and you busa na ye ka chere say adentina munyai politics no ne enka yehum also we cannot collaborate with Galamsey to solve Galamsey. He said me one of us collaborate with
You as a member of parliament.
What say kada na no me ba ubu baby e me de pa wo sisi ye kwan no na say amfa wo fie a wo say kwan yetene wo say me ne ka say nyina. He did not even mention His Excellency John Mahama Sam George to blame him for what is going on now. When blaming him. Okay. And Pacho, Akufa no our forest no or two. Na not bank Akufa no kuta oti inimu no the forest excavator. Say what? Akufa de no excavator no so. Na nado. And no the nam forest nim. Eti na nado dia. Ekwan no yenye. Na His Excellency dia ekwan no tene. And no see him blaming DC. Also the DCs no have a role to play. Sir.
No,
They were
not there at the
They
time.
were not there at the time. No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I've never said
okay,
that.
but what the question me blame John Mahama. Galamsey question me blame Mahama.
Oh, want me. Okay, he has a responsibility. I don't know who saw the ama a inform here. He have a 4 years mandate. Into the way I started in here. Every 4 years, we gave you 8 years mandate. That's one another one being blamed.
But omo opposition so we how many days? Kadna Pacho Kai so a champion journalist. Omo opposition no so how many days to solve Galamsey?
4 years.
Pacho. Also me how many days? Pacho say how many months they me? 11 months. 10 days now bro so how many times?
Can I win at your
It is
a kind of a year.
Oh, a kind of a year. Jumana and soon and young toy. I think it's so little. It ain't to be a river never turn white, ever turn blue. Hey, cut it out. Nana president and soon talk. Nana HS and soon talk that. They're dry season. Many as say the young change and to be a show better. Then soon time you will see the changes. Come on, Pacho. And I know, a Pacho Chronicle. Pacho Chronicle. Then on Macho. Illegal miners attack Bosomche. We yen chairman zonto. We yen chairman zonto answer. Yen chairman in zonto answer illegal miners attack. Me pacho the chronic right there. I see home pacho.
Illegal miners attack Lake Otumfuo.
Me pacho yen chairman zonto. Kadna. It's only time ni betse. It's only time any no ebetse. You see how difficult fighting Galamsey is. Now my brother is requesting for time. My brother is saying he collaborating. My brother now in power. Also said he can't home. Also legal mine on adding to fight it. Oh, sir. Now he wants to collaborate with the Galamseyers to fight Galamsey. Pacho, what was the point when he was in opposition? And then no catch a gun of what did to Obama. In this country, Omo catch say Akufo-Addo doing the Galamsey campaign. And then illegal miners attack Bosomche. His extent John Mahama or your campaign. Or your campaign. Na Akufo-Addo no to be. Akufo-Addo na na danko Akufo-Addo no to be.
Na Ghana for say there be MPP for di o mayi hwammo. Eti dia benya no na tena so biem ni mpre nu so. Na di wo mai Ghana so. Asɛm o kafa Galamsey hu kire se. Wonim nipa wo mo ye Galamsey wo mayi mu kire se. Wonim wo sei se nipa we na ye Galamsey mampani o te so na nim se. Galamsey boys ye kwakire wo no. Enyi wo mo na ye Galamsey. Enyi wo mo ene wo mo di wo mo sika. Se ye Galamsey wo mo de wo mo de ne se. Te se wo bi enam no wo se me pe adwuma na obi employ no. Eti ye wo woni ye wo hyekire. Enu nti na before the 2024 elections Ghana mampani nya kukuduro e ka che Ghana for say wono ba nipa ya che wode wagu naduafie e wo Galamsey hu no obegya wo mo wunim explanation o de ma ye fa asɛm no ho wo se ye bo nipa wo mo hyekire yo mo na ye Galamsey no etu kwoto se sa boys no wo hya techem wogu amnam amna ebuku woni a na yese aduma e bi a boys ni nyanye enu nti ne wonsa besoso ene wo ye eti se ye de sa ma ntie ne betum de wono wo ba omukura dem obegya wo mo na omo a hyekire ye no ya che wom eti nei se koba se yase nipa bi tunsase mu sade ne namra kwa so mampani na se mashada teta so so monhwe na omuntu ase na wukokodu constituency bi wukokodu district bi wukokodu community bi na se mabu na wo ho no munya kokuduro se ye beto ahye saata so no so a na mampani e wunim ne hyekire nipa kura wayi woti wo ho no emma wuhu mampani we nya obi na beka kire enyi obi na beka kire wasem a wo kan ye before the 2024 elections no ene da ho no na ese wasem a kan ye newom wasemu a wo kan ye se boys ndie wo kwa efi se nipa ni benya kukuduro se wachi wobi na jano na boys ya betu agu so se bibi nshechira sa kukuduro nu kura wunya se bibi nta wachi a wuhu prosini wuhu soja nya prosini po asojafo and you have the gas say makwako gina ho no momeni ye ne asojafo kwa akoto achi ewo hu ebon ye ta nipa nachi ebon ye wonim se sikura ebesensie enu ntia eti weyi aba Ghana fo nyina frɛ na mampani ena yenya nhwehwemu ena yenya nhwehwemu no anu yie ne de anwumire obeti bi anu yie no mpanimfo no asɛm ne fa wo ho no anwumire yi ye bemu atibi. By the end of the day, no near ye share ni moon say Mampani and Shushamu be ne ministry no say or be yan shishu Mampani wan kasa Mampani wan kasa same way. Jinemu because say yen to me and yinemu yen to me and hunni pat ya water says soon wedi. Send ya wa promise ye noa. Any Galamsey kun ebeye cost 90.
Tell us what to do. Osha, there are 5,000 soldiers. There are 15,000 policemen. Akufo-Addo is in power. There are money 2 million. On stop Galamsey. But soldiers they say 55,000. There are now more than 5,000. Omuntu ase. Omuntu ase. Fantastic. But they omba no catch them say. Akufo-Addo dey wabon. Or your kingpin. What ye catch say Akufo-Addo fie echi e wote bi ye tu Galamsey. Me pati yakata so.
Let's report back me kind.
Me yakata so ana. Ongo ho. Me do be ko ho. Me do be ko ho ga. Me do be ko ho. We were so unfair to the man. Calling him names. And then, if anybody had told me, say under His Excellency John Mahama, a certain member of parliament, based on the police reports, based on Asaridonko, will lead a mob to protect Galamsey. Now it is happening now. It is happening now.
Some mob no man cause site you.
Me say we were even told say MP.
Sorry.
There were mobs. Of course, the videos are there.
He led the mob.
The videos are there.
But he didn't lead because when he went to the site,
The videos
he
are
didn't go
there.
with any people.
Unya, they were instructing 9 months to take off the handcuffs. They were instructing 9 months to take off the handcuffs. Absolutely. And even the police report on Troy.
Ubeto achire wa adwe ama me. E wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.